He spoke with one of those injured victims today.
Bed rest after fracturing 2 bones in his neck. He thinks he was hurt while seeking shelter here in downtown Sulphur.
When I open the door, I take like a few steps and I'm like, holy crap, I'm not going to make it, 15 feet to the shelter.
Austin Thompson remembers nearly all of what happened Saturday night when a tornado came through downtown Sulphur. What he can't figure out is what caused his fractured neck.
So I turn around to get back into the door that I, came out of. And as soon as I tried to do that, I just remember hearing like almost like the sound of when if you get pushed underwater. It just sounded like a bunch of just whoosh, and then just remember feeling getting smacked to the ground.
Austin, though, still had enough strength to keep moving and got back inside. Once the tornado moved out with the help of his friends, Austin was able to walk a few blocks south to the Artesian Hotel, where ambulances were set up. When he got to the hospital, he learned the extent of his injuries.
C6 and C7 neck fracture, and then a fracture in my nose, and then a 2-inch gash under my chin that they had to put, I think he said 30 staples, but I thought he was joking, into my chin. And then also some staples into my ear right here.
Austin, one of around 300 Oklahomans injured in this weekend's storms. The state health department sharing their latest information with KOCO. 62 had cuts and pierced skin wounds. 77 were hurt from falls. 59 were struck or pushed against something, and 56 had injuries while out on the road. Reporting in Sulphur, I'm Andy Weber, KOCO 5 News.